Elena had reached a point in her life that was both quiet and contemplative. Her world, a tapestry of gentle routines and predictable comfort, was occasionally marred by the flickering shadows of solitude. It was in this period of refinement, at the confluence of settling and seeking more, that Timothy appeared. Timothy was a man in his 40s with the allure of a raconteur and the confidence of a man who had never been told no. He exuded charisma, seemingly glowing from an inner light that drew people in like moths to a flame. When he smiled, the illusion of warmth lingered like a summer breeze, and when he spoke, it was as if every word was a perfectly placed note in a symphony. He entered Elena's life smoothly, with an adeptness that suggested his entrance was less a chance encounter and more an orchestrated arrival. From the moment they met, Timothy portrayed himself as the answer to an unsaid question. He marveled at her art, encouraged her ambition, and cloaked her in attention that felt like authenticity. To Elena, Timothy was a solution to the silent yearnings she had long ignored. But over time, the gentle unraveling began. Slowly and subtly, Timothy started to chip away at the pillars of Elena's life. It was an art form he seemingly perfected, the strategy of divide, conquer, and replace. He feigned harmony with Elena's friends, but gradually sowed seeds of doubt. "It seems like they're holding you back," he would murmur nonchalantly, each word crafted with precision to wedge doubts. Before long, the gatherings grew fewer. Old friends became mere echoes of the past as Elena's communications faltered. Timothy filled the spaces they once occupied, but his was a parasitic presence masquerading as partnership. The critique that followed was neither overt nor aggressive. "This isn't you," he would whisper, with eyes feigning concern. But what it was in reality was his own vision of Elena, a new version hailed as improved, but meant only to be malleable. In what felt like the blink of an eye, Elena's masterpiece of a life was reimagined under Timothy's directive. He adjusted, reshaped, and ultimately replaced vital aspects with those that served his view. Always, he maintained the facade of support, promising more, delivering less. Then came the storm's crescendo. Timothy's timing was impeccable. As cleverly as he entered, he receded, leaving Elena at the center of a whirlwind he concocted. The departure was not melodramatic. There were no definitive goodbyes or confrontations. Just a simple transition executed as smoothly as his arrival. For Timothy, it was on to another canvas. And so, Elena was left to rebuild amid the wreckage of a transformation that never truly belonged to her.